Max & Sons Parfum is here to help you feel and smell your absolute best. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe, and smash that bell button to keep you updated. Let's get started.
Hi, this is Max & Sons Parfum, and today we are going to unbox again Sensual Pour Homme by Michel Germain for men. Okay, alright, so before we do that, I would like you to subscribe into my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed it yet, please subscribe it now so that you will be updated on all the things that I am posting on my YouTube channel. Okay, alright, and it will mean a world to me. Okay, thank you very much in advance, and give me a thumbs up. Alright, it's free to give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Okay, so now we are going to unbox the Sensual Pour Homme of Michel Germain for men. Okay, so first I would like to describe the bags. As you can see, I'm showing you all the bags. Like this one, you can see that is the barcode over there, as you can see, and I'm showing you all the things, and we are going to slightly open it, and we will open it actually. And as you can see, and this is really a very nice looking bottle. As you can see inside, that is really nice. Okay, Michel Germain is the main accord, or the Sensual Pour Homme. As you can see, that is the bottle. It's very nice, as you can see over there. The bottle is designed like no other. It's so clear, and that is the batch code over there, or the sticker that shows the originality of the product, as you can see. And I am showing you the exact bottle right now, and I'm going to describe all the ingredients later on, which is the main accord is woody, aromatic. We have white floral, we have powdery, vanilla, warm, spicy, patchouli, musky, fresh, spicy, in citrus. Now I'm showing you the cup, which is we have here the engraving like Sensual. And now I'm going to show you once again the whole bottle. As you can see, you must appreciate the look of the bottle alone. It's so gorgeous, and the shiny bottle that is round. As you can see again, the cup, like the cup is it was engraved like Sensual in the cup, like that. You can see clearly. Alright, okay, and as I describe it, I would like to give you the a little bit of history of this Sensual Pour Homme by Michel Germain. As you can see over there, the box, the engraving, and so on and so forth. Michel Germain is a fragrance for men. Sensual Pour Homme was launched in 1997. The top notes are Basil, we have Clementine, we have Melon, we have Bergamot, we have Petitgrain, we have the middle notes, we have the Gardenia, we have that Lavender, suds. Base notes are Sandalwood, Patchouli, Musk, Tonka Bean, and vanilla. Okay, as you can see, I'm showing you again the barcode. It shows the originality of the box. Alright, and inside of this box, we just fix the box and we concentrate on the bottle later on. And I would like to show you again and again so that you can be familiarized how it looks like. It looks like the box alone is really beautiful. Alright, and the bottle alone is really exquisite, extraordinary, I should say. As you can see over there, if I put in my palm, you can see the very nice looking bottle. It's just like into my palm, and it's really nice. Okay, and you can see in the bottle the sexual word in there, and that is the back of the bottle. There's nothing written in there. Actually, it's just the clear bottle that you are seeing. And at the bottom again of the bottle, you can see the code once again, and that is the batch code. It has to do with all the batches codes and the originality and the manufacture date and so on and so forth, and you can check it out by application, the authenticity of the bottle, something like this. So as you can see, the bottle, there is like a little hole in the center, like a hole. It's not that hole that is transparent, but it's a hole, something like this, and that's the nozzle. As you can see, it's very shiny and it's really good, and there's like a round crystal clear on the top before the nozzle, which is it adds into the uniqueness of the bottle. And once again, the cap, as you can see, there is a sexual that is engraved into that bottle. All right, it's really nice and it's really good. Now we have to test it. As you can see, I sprayed it 2 times, and once again, wow, it's really smells good. And the top notes again are, you know, Basil, Clementine, Melon, Bergamot, Petitgrain, and followed by the middle notes. We have the base middle notes, which is the Gardenia, Lavender, and suds. And we have in the base notes, we have the Sandalwood, Patchouli, Musk, Tonka Bean, and vanilla, which is combined all together. It has the sexiness of it. It's just like you are adding sexuality into yourself when you use this perfume, you know. So it's really good. All right, so I'm not, you know, this is not paid advertisement to promote this bottle, but I use it personally and I find it really amazing, you know, and I really like it personally, because when I use it, it has a lot, or I get a lot of compliment from it. And you know, it's really good for me too. Okay, so once again, you are seeing the box, okay, that, you know, I repeatedly show you yet from the start, so that you will get familiarized with it. And take note also that this is 125 ml. Okay, again, that is the you know, barcode over there. All right, so I repeatedly show you so that you get familiarized with all the things that you need to see from the box. Okay, and at the top of this box, you can see the Michel Germain engraved in there, as well as inside the box you can see also the engraving of the name Michel Germain. Okay, all right, this is the front again, and we are going to, you know, put it into the box and we are going to cover it. All right, and once again, this is Max and Sons Parfum, and thank you so much for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day. See you.
Thank you for watching Max and Sons Parfum. If you like this video, share it with your friends to start smelling absolutely gorgeous. Don't forget to like, put any comments regarding your concern in perfumes and fragrances, and we're happy to answer you or do a video for you. Subscribe and hit that bell for you not to miss any of my contents uploaded every week. See you again next time. Max and Sons Parfum. Even the goddess will fall.